Oh, so today I'm walking into my college to take a compass test. And yeah, I don't know what compass test is, but yeah, I'm ditching my siblings. Okay, I wanted to just decide, what should I call you guys? Crazy Royals, crazy my royal subjects. I don't know, what should I call you? My username is Crazy Royal Princess, so you guys figure it out. What should I call you? Comment below for what should I call you? Okay, I'll see you. I'm gonna try to test the room. Bye. I just finished my compass test. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. It took like 2.5 hours. I'm so sad. It's so sad. I got at least one thing is good. I got a college level reading. College level. That's the only thing that's good. I got a pre-algebra. It's gonna be so sad. I just wanna cry. Okay. We are going to Portland to visit my grandma. Woo! Traffic.
Fuck, getting closer and closer to the oversized load.
We're not gonna be that close, Wesley.
Oh my god. Yeah,
Hey guys, I'm getting ready to go to Skills USA competition, and this is my living room right now. It is 10:30 at night, and I'm finally done. Clean. Okay. So today was a very eventful day. We went to Sweet Tomatoes, and so yeah. So tonight I'm getting on a plane at 12, almost 1, to go to Texas, and then I'm going to go to Louisville, Kentucky. Woo! Stay awake till 1 a.m. So exciting.
I did not see that little girl.
Okay, and now we're about to go to a graduation party. Yeah, fun. Hi guys, I'm at the grad party, and look at this ducky!
Wait, so is that movie the same as Jurassic Park, like the first one?
Disney?
Is the same storyline?
No, I don't think so.
Uh-huh.
The first one was like they just
Yeah,
didn't know what they were getting into.
Oh.
Whereas this one they knew, but they just kept wanting to make bigger dinosaurs.
You're tired, aren't you?
Except the storyline wasn't very clear, like that the entire thing was like supposed to be.
Hey guys, I'm going to Louisville today. I'm getting on the airplane today, and I'm all packed. Like that. All packed. I'm waiting for my parents to take me. So, yeah. I'll see you when I get to the airport. Hey guys, I'm at the airport right now, and I'm waiting to check my bags in. So yeah, life. I'm so nervous. This is the first time I've ever been on a plane by myself, like traveling by myself. Yeah. Bye. I just checked my bags in. Yeah. Hey guys, we're on the flight now, about to take off. So I'll see you when I get there or when we take off. Look at the clouds. It's so... I could fall into that. Hey guys, so I'm at the Dallas airport now, and I'm about to go to Louisville, Kentucky airport. So yeah, long flight. I'm at the hotel, and I'm just waiting for my room.
Hey Melina, can we
So yeah. Hey guys, it's Sunday, June 21st, and I'm just gonna finish here. I think I'm just gonna do like a 3-day, like upload every Sunday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I don't know, Friday. I'm gonna upload every 3 days. So I think this is the end of today, this vlog.